Hey guys, this is Glam Queen and welcome back. So today's video is going to be a featured video for Kolplus professional hair clippers. Now you guys, make sure you stay tuned so I can give you that information. Let's get started. So you guys, Kolplus reached out to me to sponsor this video, and my package came like this, and this is what it looks like coming out of the box. Now you guys, make sure you do check out my description to get all of Kolplus information for this clipper. They also sell on Amazon as well. I will tell you, this thing came packaged very securely, but these are some professional hair clippers, and they combines the function of a hair trimmer, a beard trimmer, and a bikini trimmer. And you guys, you know, I actually received it for the bikini trimmer. I'm not going to horrify y'all today by doing that, but I'm going to still let you see that it does work. Now, this trimmer not only cuts hair at home, but it can serve as hair clippers to design a perfect hairstyle as well. The blades are of high quality and durable powder metallurgy materials with newly upgraded transparent waterproof ultra thin body and designs that provides a fast and easy precise haircut experience for you. Now these are my items that I did receive, and once again it's those clippers, those guards, the USB cord, the charger, the cleaning brush, and the hair oil. And guess what guys, that is not the most important function of these hair clippers. They are waterproof as well as being very stylish and sleek. You're going to get to see that soon. So I'm just showing you the different clipper pieces here, you guys, and they are numbered as well, but these are all the items that you do receive with this trimmer. Now this superior hair trimmer has built in a large multi-function LCD screen which can display the remaining power, current, speed, charging reminder, maintenance reminder, washing reminder in real time. You guys, you heard me, real time. You can press the on and off for seconds to lock and unlock it. The security lock feature to prevent accidental touch, which is safe and nice. And you guys, isn't this piece nice? These are all the beautiful functions of this piece. Now I tell you what, I am going to be giving some of these out for family members for Christmas gifts, you guys. Wouldn't it be nice to give your husband or your significant other or a brother, uncle, even an aunt, sister, or a friend? Because you know we girls use these as well. So wouldn't this be a very, very, very lovely gift to give someone? You guys, I'm telling you, I love the transparency of this clipper, and I'm going to tell you, it was a favorite for TT as well. This unique design is top notch. Now also, the package does include the hair climber, as I stated, is with a 3-speed adjustment. You heard me right, it has a 3-speed adjustment. It has 5,000 RPM, 6,000, and 7,000. It also has 5 levels of trim, and you're going to see that, which with my lighting you can't tell, but where you see me put in my hand, you got your indicators to give you your level of trim. And it also comes with the 6 advanced comb guides as well. You guys, they snap on very easily. And here I'm just showing you the little hook pieces on the side where they do catch on and grab to this magnificent clipper. It also has a cleaning brush and a usual manual as well. a charging cable with 100 to 240 volt adapter. Now to you guys, if you're using this with water, because you can even just clean it and wash it off, you guys, make sure after every wet use or wet cleaning that you let it sit to dry before you connect your electrical pieces back, you guys. Now, for your charging port, once again, make sure you definitely keep that dry. Now, my number one thing, and I got to give you my opinion, guys. If I had to rate this clipper on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this bad boy a 15. You heard me. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this Kolplus trimmer a 15. I'm telling you, that transparent shell of the whole body, which allows you to see the mechanical parts, has so much science and technology in it. It is stunning. And also that intelligent LED screen reminder. You guys, I'm telling you, this is the best. And I would tell you, it's probably going to be the only trimmer you would need. And again, you can use this for a regular hair trimmer, a bead trimmer, and also a bikini trimmer. And because I'm not going to show you my bikini ear because it ain't summertime yet, I still got the winter body, you guys. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to trim some hair off of my arm. And you guys, I did play with it some with my nephew. They're not camera ready yet. They don't want to be on camera yet, you guys. But this thing cuts exceptionally well. I would tell you what, I will be having one that will be placed in my home, and I would also put one in my to-go bag. And once again, look at the sleekness and the gorgeousness of this trimmer. You guys, please make sure you check that description box. Thank you, Kolplus, for reaching out to me. All of that link and information is in the description. They also sell on Amazon, so please make sure you check out that climber. All right, you guys, I'll see you in another video.